We'll introduce Pandas extension data types, int64, Boolean, string, category, and datetime TZ. These types provide proper missing value support, more efficient categorical storage, and time zone-aware datetime handling. NumPy types cause annoyances. Integer columns with missing values are upcast to float64, none becomes nan, and there's no native nullable int or bool. Large string arrays also waste memory. Pandas extension dtypes fix this. int64 keeps integers with missing values, Boolean supports pd.a, string is memory efficient, and category stores repeats as integer codes. Create them with dtype equals int64, Boolean, string, or category. We'll cover the Pandas str accessor, using regular expressions and vectorized cleaning techniques to process text columns efficiently. Pandas.str provides vectorized string operations that automatically handle missing values. Use case methods like lower, upper, title, whitespace helpers strip, strip, rstrip, search methods contains, starts with, ends with, split, extract, get, format with replace, pad, len, and checks like isalpha as digit is numeric. For example, dfname.str.strip, str.lower chains operations, and dfemail.str.split at, expand equals true, splits into columns. Quick rejects cheat sheet. Dot matches any single character. Star means 0 or more, plus means 1 or more. Question mark makes the previous token optional. Caret anchors the start, and dollar anchors the end. Square brackets define character classes. Parentheses create capture groups. \d is a digit, and \w is a word character. In Pandas, use star.extract with groups to split fields, start replace with rejects to clean text, start contains to test for patterns, and str.match to validate formats. This table is a quick reference for common element-wise string operations. Use cat to join elements, contains to return a Boolean mask for a pattern, and extract to pull regex groups into columns. Split, replace, and strip handle breaking, substituting, and trimming. Use lower or upper to change case, len for string length, match to test a regex, and pad to enforce a minimum width.